from Dalat, which is located in southern Vietnam's central highlands. This Vietnamese city is a little bit different than the other ones we've been to. It was created in the early 1900s by French colonials, and there's definitely still like a French European feel here. The city itself is centered around a lake and a resort style golf course. It's pretty temperate in climate all year round, although you'll find a lot of the locals are wearing puffy winter jackets, even though it's like in the 70s.
And I'm wearing a tank top.
Fahrenheit right now. So today we're going to be exploring a vintage train which takes us to a Buddhist pagoda and walking through the town.
See, there's a lot of greenery here in Dalat, nice little parks, a lot of flowers, and across from us right here is the lake that it's centered around, and you can ride around on boats there, the little swan boats. So yeah, different change of pace, very different from the Vietnamese towns that we've been to recently.
The flowers actually remind me of Strasbourg in France, where we were a few months ago.
Still has the craziness and madness of still has the craziness and madness of like big cities and how many scooters there are and how congested the roads are. That's no different here.
So you may not be able to tell from here, but especially at night when it's lit up, this kind of resembles the Eiffel Tower, and Dalat is actually nicknamed Little Paris of Vietnam. So yeah, pretty unimpressive, especially if you've actually seen the Eiffel Tower, but hopefully we can get a shot of it at night.
So you can see down this road, it seems like very European-like with the columns here, the architecture of this building, how they actually have some Christmas decorations out. The trees here look like they're not from Asia. They look pretty familiar. Just how the leaves are changing too. So it actually seems like the seasons are changing.
Maybe 129.
Vé đâu?
Thank you.
Vé đâu?
Mà phải tầm gần. 130 rồi, 135, 135, 150.
내가 보니까 외국 사람은 뭘 하는데 저쪽은 베트남 분들 그러니까 뭐 그런 거한테 평판되게 그렇게 하는 거야.
We're on the train right now, getting ready for takeoff or flight in about 5 minutes. So what you just saw was the Dalat railway station, which is actually a tourist attraction in itself. There's a 10,000 dong entrance fee. Many tour groups actually come here without ever taking the train, so just come to walk around the station and leave. We're going to take about a 30-minute train ride to Tri Mat, which is a little small town about 3 miles away, and see a pagoda, some interesting gardens, and flowers on the way.
And depending on what class you're in, we're in VIP 1, there's also VIP 2. It's 150,000 dong round trip or 135,000 dong round trip.
But we wanted the full VIP experience because we're ballers.
Here in Dalat, there are greenhouse encampments for miles. Pretty sure it employs a lot of people and gives Dalat all its beautiful flowers. There's no rice paddies around here, only greenhouses.
Alright, so we just got dropped off and we're heading to the Lin Phuoc Pagoda, which is like the main attraction here. What's kind of a bummer about the train is you book a return ticket. They have about 5 trains a day between the two places, but they don't tell you that you only get about 40 minutes here. So there's one main attraction, but there's some other greenhouses. I think there's a church, some other temple, and lots of cafes that we would have liked to go to. Just beware, when you're booking the return ticket, you only get about 40 minutes actually in the town.
Right here, this is the Dharma wheel, and each spoke represents one point of the Noble Eightfold Path, which is a core teaching in Buddhism. And we're at the top. Holy cow. How we get this kind of view.
I know.
It's kind of a workout. Hello.
Nice to see you here.
Excuse me.
So we're leaving the Lin Phuoc Pagoda, which was super cool. Probably one of the more unique pagodas we visited. It was kind of a whole village with tile mosaics. Almost reminded me of some of the Gaudi architecture in Barcelona. So we're heading back to the train after our short 40-minute stop here. So if you're staying in Dalat, maybe buy a one-way train ticket here and then buy a one-way later, or take a Grab. You definitely want to spend more than 40 minutes here. Thanks for riding along with us on our afternoon adventure here in Dalat, Vietnam.
Make sure to keep an eye out for some other upcoming videos of our Vietnam exploration. We're going to be here about another 3-4 weeks in the country, so we're going to do a lot of cool stuff from now until then, before we head to the next country. So make sure to give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching.
See you soon.